Yo, hi everyone, this is Dion D. We're back again with another video. As you know, we are doing this again. We have a Honda Palade. It's a scrap, man, yo. It's a scrap lady. But yeah, we're gonna work on it. It's for a client. The car drives, that's the good part about it. Just took it here by GoBid Pretoria. And yeah, we're driving to Johannesburg. Hey, I'm sure you're wondering why this late. We get busy, man. But we get things done. We do get things done. Yeah, so we're working on this. And then I'll give you a proper look and a proper view tomorrow. Because now it's late. And then we're gonna drive it. I think it has a clutch issue, but it's drivable. You just can't remove it from gear, engage gears. So yeah, we're gonna fix that, and then we're gonna do some body work. Because wow, man, this thing doesn't look nice, but we're gonna make it look nice. Good thing about it, these things are very strong and reliable. So yeah, we're going to make it work. So yeah, let's push. Arrive, baby.
Ngizawufuna 50 bucks angafika 50k. What's gonna happen?
Give me 50k, baba. Sure. Yeah? My one here. One here. Yeah, so this is the second day. Yeah, we want to remove the clutch, remove the bumper. This thing is a mess. It's a mess. Yeah, but we'll get everything fixed. So we're gonna do the clutch quickly. Then we will then work on everything. We're doing it step by step. So we're quickly gonna remove the gearbox and then replace the clutch kit. And then yeah, I'll provide you guys with the prices, the cost of everything, how much everything costed, and yeah, toolbox jack, then another toolbox, bumper, workspace. Yeah, so what we're gonna do here, I'm gonna start with move the airflow box so that we can have space, remove anything on our way so I can have enough space to drop the gearbox. Also we're gonna remove this tire and then the drive shaft, the shock and everything. Yeah, and then gearbox should be out, give or take. I haven't done this in years, so give or take an hour or let's say 30 minutes to an hour, the gearbox should be done. And then after I've taken it down, I don't think putting it back is gonna take forever. And then about the clutch kit, where we are buying from, they need a sample, so we're gonna remove it and we're gonna quickly rush to buy it. So yeah, so stay tuned, I'll update you now. Yeah, so I'm here. I got the mic. Yeah. Hey, mic. So easy I listen to you guys. Yeah, because it's windy. Hopefully it helps. So I did test it out. I think it does work. Yeah, the mic. I have a tripod. We are moving. We have a spin car back there. And then let me push this quickly because I don't want to make the video too long with like filming everything. I'll just tell you what I did, what I didn't do, and then yeah, because we still need to fit the clutch, get the car moving. It's gonna be a long video, so I don't want it to be too long. Okay, so otherwise, since we're here, if you like the real car projects, the road trips and stuff, you might as well subscribe. Don't forget to buy a car with us. Yeah, drop a like, subscribe. Thank you for the support. 4K subscribers. Yeah, that means a lot. See, the channel is growing. So don't go. So The gearbox is down.
Hello?
Where is it? Here's the gearbox.
You sent me.
And then you're gonna remove that guy here. And then let me try to unzoom this.
You sent me the spec.
Here's the gearbox. And then yeah, I'm gonna remove the plate. And then we should be sorted. We should be sorted. This was a mission.
Just send me
I ended up having to remove the drive shaft this side. Oh, imagine coming to a mechanic, seeing your car like this. See flames. Flames. So yeah, let me quickly remove this. Just remove like a small 10 bolts around the thingy. The pressure plate. Yeah, so here guys, we got to the bottom of the problem. As you can see, there's a wiggly. This thing is wiggling here, so it's not able to press the springs properly. So that's why you can't shift gears. That's why we have a clutch problem. So we're just gonna go look for a new one. As I say, we should bring a sample, and then I think the car should be drivable from there. Hey, what a job and a half. Yeah, so okay, so I don't have the mic on. Yeah, the suspension is back on. Gearbox, we're about to finish up now. And then this is the old clutch. Then we'll put back everything, the tires and stuff. And then we're gonna test drive. So we also opted to using new bolts when putting back the gearbox, because wow, the old ones are I'll find one and show you how they look like. So now we're pouring some gear oil, filling up the gearbox with oil. It was empty. See, one bottle out. Need to pour another bottle. This thing needs a clean up after here. Serious clean up. And then bottle number 2. Then from here, wheels on, should be able to drive. Hopefully. And I'm here with my mechanic. Working together. It's not full, but it's something. We'll, because we bought 3 bottles, we'll fill it later on. The engine is not healthy at all. Udlo, inali knock nyan, ya rattling. Udlo. Ki knock there. And shava kumrao. Yeah. So it's day 3. Working on the car. Hey, there's problems now. So back here, ne, I have the radiator, I have the fender liners, I have the bumper sliders, service kit, and a whole complete engine. So yeah, we're going to fit a new engine on that car. That one is bad. There's a knock. It's smoking. So we just decided, no, let's just do a new engine. That radiator is patches, so rather put a new radiator. Hopefully it all comes out nice. So yeah, let's get right onto it, and then we keep on pushing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hang tight, because here we're gonna push, and then we're gonna fit the engine, and then we're gonna take the car to the bodywork, and then yeah, maybe I'll make part 2 of the final thing. I'll just wait for the body guys to finish and make just one video. So we're back again. We're on day 4 with this car, and The engine is knocking. It's not nice. It's smoking. So we have a new guy here. We're gonna fit this guy. Hopefully it's good. Because it looks sealed. It's never been opened. It's from an accident car. Then we got a few bits here: the bumper, the radiator, the fender liners, the bumper sliders, oil, and tools. So now we're gonna remove the engine, and then yeah, I remove the engine. Yeah, then we're gonna fix this thing up. Whoever thought was selling this thing so that can give someone problem in the future, nope, it's not gonna give any problems. Yeah, so let us get right onto it. Keep you posted. uh, Maybe I'll do a time lapse of the whole work, the engine fitting and everything. Oil in, moment of truth coming. Just a second, just give it a minute. Let's fill it with oxygen. Wait. Yeah, no mention today. I start talking about that.
Oh, you start. I'm not locked down. It's not a move. Okay. No mention.
Oh, hi guys. Moment of truth. So we're gonna see if like all the hard work is it really worth it. Is the engine gonna run? Is it gonna run? So we are done. Everything is here. Then we'll put the rest of the stuff after. We just wanna hear if it runs. This is a moment of truth. Hopefully it runs. Hey, wagain. Hey. Hey.
Ikominyana mafu.
Wait.
Imanya. Get that on.
Yeah.
So that was the first attempt. Nothing happened, but the engine has compression, so there's no engine light inside there, and then there was this earth missing, so we just put it on. Hopefully it works. Hopefully it's the fault. Yeah, but we'll figure it out. The engine is gonna run. That I'm definitely sure of, 100%. So we ran out of battery. The battery for this car is not good, so we fitting another battery, and then we try again. It's gonna start. Moment of truth. Again. So we're back again. We're gonna try again. Okay, start it. Come on, man. Come on. Yeah! Yes! Oh, wow. Oh. Wow. Can you see what's happening here? Oh. It's running nicely. So smooth, so nice. Okay, let's turn it off. Let's turn it off. Let's turn it off. I can turn it off. Wow. First kick, Baba. First kick.
These calls for a celebration.
We're back again. So we've got this guy here, our old radiator. So this is the problem we had. So fortunately, we were able to buy a new one. Here it is here. So we already fitted the new fans here. So we're using the old fans because there's no issue with them. They're 100% perfect. So yeah, busy with the engine. We'll fit this soon. So this is how far we are with the Honda. I just did the little thing, something I like using cable tie, and then that's how far the car looks like so far. Yeah, we have a new engine, new radiator, new car, and then we're busy with this guy. Yeah, so this is our next video. So here we are. The bumper is painted. Yeah, we're still gonna do some alignments and everything. Yeah, the bonnet is painted. Even the side fender is painted, and also the rear bumper. And then we're gonna put fender liners. And then yeah, when they align, we're gonna put fender liners and then polish the whole car. Yeah, and then we'll see the final product. Just hang on. Ish guys, I know I haven't been uploading. I had problems which I'm not ready to share with you, but I'll share. So it has delayed everything. Even this car, it's been more than 2 weeks now doing it. It has delayed absolutely everything. So I just want to sort out the problem that I have. As soon as it's sorted out, I'll tell you about it. Obviously it involves the car, but yeah. And then yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and buy cars with us. We're still doing it. We're fixing it. Yeah, this thing is gonna come out very nice. Yeah, you'll see after the polishing, the fender liners, and the washing, the alignment and everything, how good it's gonna be looking. And then we push it to the owner.